As predicted at the launch of the Yamaha XSR 900 last year, a plethora of different GP-inspired kits have landed on the market to turn a capable naked into a retro-inspired GP-style cafe racer. The body kit comes from YZR, which sells genuine Yamaha accessories in Japan. The first set, dubbed Bloodline Style, includes a sports headlamp cover, fuel tank cover, pillion seat cover and side covers, all finished in white and red paint inspired by the Yamaha YZR500 LUGP racing. Additionally, the rear fairing has yellow graphics on the sides to mimic the number plates of old race bikes, while the headlight covers also bend the windshield like old race bikes. Pair that with the fender eliminator and radiator cap, and the XSR looks as lively as ever. Meanwhile, the Akrapovic exhaust, adjustable levers, and performance dampers up the ante. The touring-style kit adds soft saddlebags and heated grips along with the bodywork. Unlike the Bloodline, the second set focuses on long-distance travel. Dubbed the Touring Style, it features the same headlights and seat covers, though in blue or black to match the standard XSR colors. Riding ease, meanwhile, is boosted by a set of padded saddlebags, tank grips, performance shock absorbers, and heated grips. To make life easier and safer, they also each have a bottom link monoshock and crash protection. If you just want the headlights and seat covers, they're under $900. As for pricing, the Bloodline Style and Touring Style kits are priced at $4,800 and $2,626 respectively. How are you interested in this body kit?